going into rebirthing, like we'll use breath for rebirthing. We'll understand why. Okay? So breath is very important in our lives, that we all know. Some of the pointers for breath is like it is one of the simplest ways to reconnect with who we really are. Through breath we can really connect who we are. Breath is one of the most vital forces in our lives, and when it is allowed to flow freely and spontaneously through the body, we feel healthy, alive, and directly connected with our inner strength and joy. And breath is the physical counterpart of the mind. Like we have mind, right? Breath is the physical counterpart. How mind is there, how mind is functioning, similarly breath is functioning. So if mind is agitated, we have heavy breaths. Mind is peaceful, we have slow breaths. So there is interconnection. And mind uses the cerebral cortex of the brain. Like we have left hemisphere and right hemisphere. There are two hemispheres here. This whole thing is called cerebral cortex. So what it does is like this gives something called neuromotor responses to our body. Like most of the functions in our body are controlled by the cerebral cortex. Right? So these are mind functions, and mind uses breath for these activities. Like most of the activities in our body are managed through breath. All neural activities, all sensory and motor functions of the body are performed with the help of the breath. And pranic energy, this even we call this as pranavayu, this breath. We have five types of breath. Again, we are not going to delve deep into it, like prana, apana, dhyana, samana, udana. So there are five activities of breath. And each breathing is very important. Apana especially is used for excretion and urination. And prana is here, like udana will be mostly in our these areas, in our forehead, and I think dhyana, samana, which is at the bottom. Apana, I don't know which I exactly forgot, but there is a lot of circulation of breath happening throughout the body.
Yes.
And pranic energy is what it is like. It is available as negative ions or oxygen or ozone, and also in solar radiation. But for human beings, our main sources of prana is breath. We are not like plants where we can get directly prana from solar energy. The major source for our prana, our life force, is through breath. And also like let us do some small experiment. So everyone keep their hand here and notice which nostril there is dominance. Which nostril there is dominance?
Mine is left.
Just notice and just tell what nostril is dominant. Okay? So what happens is this, whenever one nostril is normally at 2.5 hours, one nostril will be dominant, and after 2.5 hours another nostril will get dominant. So when this nostril is dominant, let's say your right nostril is dominant, your left brain is active. And when your left nostril is dominant, your right brain is active, or right hemisphere is active. And these controls many aspects. Let's say even what we can do is we can use nose as a switch to control our state of mind also. Let's say if I'm feeling very much emotional pain and I need to immediately transform it, I just need to know which nostril is dominant at that time. Let's say my right nostril is dominant. So I can make forcefully that right nostril to close and allow the breathing to happen through the left nostril, so that automatically that emotion changes.
It changes.
Changes.
automatically.
So nose can use as a main switch for the cerebral hemisphere. Can act as a switch. It can stimulate the electromagnetic activity on one side of the body or the other. If you want our left to be active, we can make it. If you want our right to be active, we can make it. And it can switch the dominant hemisphere activity on and off. Can use the nose as a switch also to manage our mind,
Yes.
manage our emotions. Our health is directly linked to our breath, and therefore we can improve our health by adopting the correct breathing technique. So most of the times we have wrong breathing technique because we are carrying these traumas. So if we practice some right breathing techniques, we can resolve all those traumas and we can fully live in the present.